Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another hunting, fishing, outdoors YouTube video. This is going to be the intro. Right now it's raining, and well, you can't tell already. We got a cast net stuck on the waist shears at a boat ramp, so
it's like
we're going for a little walk here in the water.
You got bro, that's not helping, Mr. Jet Ski people. It's not helping.
Alright, there's literally only one, there's one strand that's caught.
Try not to cut it then.
Just try to pull it off.
Yeah.
I got a nice drum on.
What stupid freaking McDonald's?
Oh my god, we got a nice drum on. Sheesh. Dude, we're drifting. Hold up. Hold it. Get it out here.
Bring it closer to me. Oh, I can get him. I can get him. I'm back here.
Nice. Are you filming? Yes. Sweet. Oh, that's a nice drum. We're gonna release him. No, don't. He's under the boat right now.
Oh, he's not. He's right there.
Don't go on the drum boat.
Oh god, that's so big.
Stop, it's a huge fish. Get up.
Oh my gosh.
This guy's overslot. Oh, shoot.
Got him.
Here we go. He's got to be overslot, right?
No.
We're releasing him. Alright, bro, just film me, okay? Here we go, guys. Holy crap.
Dang.
That thing's nice, bro. That's the biggest trout fish you got here?
Here?
Red?
Yeah, probably.
Man, freaking first bait now. Big Keisha got smoked. Tip up.
Oh.
Let's go, Raleigh.
Oh my.
Rock tip up, bud. Rock tip up. He's coming toward you. Rock tip up. Atta boy. I gotta reel this one. Rock tip up. He's coming toward the boat. Come to this right side. Come to the right side. He's right here.
What is it? It's feisty.
Probably a drum. Then,
Yeah,
nice
oh my
drum.
god.
Is he still there?
Yep. Get him. Get the net.
Nice.
No.
You spit it?
Yeah.
Dude, you can't force him in like that.
Tiny fiddler crabs with the big claws.
You're right. Real. You on?
Yeah.
Rock tip up. Rock tip up. Nice and slow. He's off. Dude, that was another nice one, dude. We got a fish
We're hooked up here on the Shimano, and we got the St. Croix, some nice bendage in the rod.
You know how it is.
So this is actually on the bait.
Sure.
I'm pretty sure this is actually the bait that got caught in the docks. What happened is, you see the intro. Basically, this is the bait that got caught in the dock.
What is it?
No clue what it is.
Probably a drum. Nice trout. Solid trout. Grab him.
Suck, Raleigh!
Sorry, we're like, that was an 18-inch trout, guys. That still counts, dude. He's right here.
You're gone. No more bullshit.
What do you say, Raleigh? That was the 18-inch trout. What do you say? What do you say?
Why'd you knock it off?
That was the 18-inch trout. Alright, boys. There's fish here. Let's keep catching.